In this video we will show you how deep groove ball bearings are produced in our factory. First of all, let's come to the production area. Here we can see that the outer rings are already prepared. And here are the inner rings. These components will be assembled together to produce deep groove ball bearings. Now we need to pick the inner rings and place them into the assembly machine. The machine will move them to the correct position for the next step. Next, we pick the outer rings and place them into the machine as well. Once both the inner rings and outer rings are loaded, the assembly process can begin. Now the machine starts to assemble the deep groove ball bearing. It automatically assembles the inner ring, outer ring, and balls together. After the balls are installed between the raceways, the bearing assembly is completed. When the deep groove ball bearings are assembled, they need to be tested before packaging. Here we are going to test the noise of the deep groove ball bearings. The bearings are placed on the testing machine, which checks whether they rotate smoothly and meet the required quality standards. Only the bearings that pass the test can move on to the next step. When the bearings pass the inspection, they are ready for packaging. Different customers have different packaging requirements. For this customer, several bearings are packed into one cylindrical box. Then, these cylindrical boxes are placed into one larger carton box for shipment. This is the complete production process of deep groove ball bearings in our factory, from ring preparation and assembly to testing and packaging. If you are looking for deep groove ball bearings, feel free to contact BKZ Industry.